Ya me hu nyina che, me hu akwa ba. Me ru ahwa no paper. Me ru ahwa no paper pa. Mon fanche. Me didi akwasinsi Asem de kabre eni na menche ewa. Ha. Video be am patch eba show no yesterday more that it will affect the sensitivity of a lot of people. But mon fanche, for the sake of discussion into see a show. Ahomete asefem awreho but o see a show. Me shefre nra me ru ahwa. Then I ask myself, ain't funny man did koi. Ain't fun no man did koi ya fe di aba bedu pempen so se ye mofra ye do man ba beji omo no ye yomu se. Arreho. It's too bad. It's too bad. Too bad. Everybody. Ha. Yankopon na hu ye mobo. Yankopon na hu ye mobo. Na we die. Asem we die. But you sure, mon fanche? We still putting things together and see it's right for us to show the video whether so yenya human rights activist, yenya child rights activist, yenya uplift so yaji adwenchira ko anymore. I think say led by Weber Kofi Ampedu, I think the conclusion is that we have to show the video. We have to show the video. Na nyina enkwe betimi afaso a ye beka no ye show it me pese meka ho asem bebre yeah ye show it pese meka ho asem bebre but it gets to do akwada Kofi Ampedu so hwe ba akwada obanya be how many years I think this guy is supposed to be around 9 to 10 years yeah 9 to 10 years and share the torture la. And I'm saying, "Kiam kwa no rosa." Ka bese bia de. O say ye kiam kwa no rosa nanka afefo ntimi ehunu ni nyina bi but ya touch a lot of places. Yes, to make sure say it doesn't affect your sensitivity too. But join you live on Facebook, Adom TV. I think to be more on Facebook rather, yeah. And join you live on Facebook to see Adom TV. Adom TV on Facebook. YouTube into Adom TV. Or join your YouTuber and also Adom TV. So either on Facebook or on YouTube. Either portal, you know, also I'll be share live stream. You're showing more on our social media stream. But I ready Anna. Every German found to Nadia, Mr. Quadam, Quanadia, Nadia, and Yan. No, say, to Galam sent to Quadaso. Galam sent to Quad, but Trebatwaso. There's actually different version. There's a different version to the Galamsey. We know it's Yabeko Galamsey, but and then because of the essence, yes, this is the video. Me patch my sound. Why? My sound to us. So video no e watching say. But because akra no esase ye bu na wo twa ne hunti no ya anhwe abewe na daja na ye kata so no abeto abonte na edi mu ayepese ye kata dem no na abeto abonte so asem ni etia wane se oba tan ya ne ba ya ne bone ene wa kyekere akora ne nsa e wodua ho wa woro akora ne ho ene wo bo no owie na akora ne nana ayamaku eno de afefa akora ne bema ho ene ne to ho nyina oba tan what is oba tan na so ye bo ne ba fi no say kam say afi oye eti akora ne wo fa mam video weba akora ne wo fa ena na ebo ne saa no ya kyekere akwada ne nsa ena ye de ya kyekere dwiem saa akora ntimi ne no ena ye de aba ebro no ye bo ne wie no ena akwada ne na bema e de mako ebe fa akwada no bema ho because boni awaye no esu bi mada boni akwada na ye no esu bi mada. We hope and pray that a Ghana police service will take this up. After this show, we are sending the videos to a police from Pennyfor, no more to one or more. Yeah, easy to identify them. And baby, we also help with the contact. We also can be to lead in tracing Sir Abranti, to be specific. Ene oba tan na ye bo ne ba no ene nana na ono kutamako na ode efa akra ne be ma no na omo nkyere wiase bo ne kora akwada no aye nti akwada be se 10 years ya kyekere ne sad na bodwiem na ye buru ne sei weba me sa hwe video no last one na me nsere kwan ko Mama Srekwa na menko. Ye kase be nsembebre. We only hope the Ghana Police Service will take it up. Yeah. So yeah, no we say see what normal like adwe no ye adwuma sa. Chale o die nkoa nanti akwada betimi aya mama akwada ketua be 10 years e be kyekere ne sa bodwiem say ye bo no die nko die nko oba tanya nti wo de oba e ko se bone be nko na akwada na ye bone be eye bone be nko na akwada ye nti oba tan wotimi atrase ye kyekere oba nsam bodwiem ni ambro ne famako enye ne sei. You see, and akwara maame na ekekasa no otietem se afa ye no no bata wa ma ho kwan se yem bro ba sei we papa cho enyi video no obata wa ma ho kwan se yem bro ba sei na wi asa kam se eye na aka se no mo kyekere sade abodwo no so me ne den so this is so bad. This is so bad. Yenim see tetene maame no ye bi. Ye maame no ye bi. Wona be yankorabo ne yankorabo no be yankorapa anya ne sesa nkwada. Kane tetene maame no di ayi akakaduro ne de atuaw. Ti kwada bebre won ma se bi yade bonni kwa koko ni ade na asra sa na de ko. Eni eku akora ne preko ne hu se yi asra akora ne bonni awo ne so oku no. Ebi de sekan nyina abo wo ma sekan o ka wasmi anam wo no na we wanya ba na onam na ebu amanfo baye why didn't na oh there be to the bia Yama near be yet time. Yama never be yet time too much. Dear uncle. Dear Bonem Kwan into your quadra ya, into a ya quadra say. Hey! Dear uncle. What kind of torture is this? What kind of torture is this? Why are you doing this to the Mkwadano? And the idea. Yes, be a tear crana says and crashes them na. Ah? A tear crana says them crashes them na. Ochia kwadaya kwadasiya. Mlidi ya kwa sisi omayi nukabla sante baba tuwa. So wachina pepe sedi yeshia. Why? Asem ni keni. Makrao.